Arms out, ready for the next bite. Oh my goodness.
Good. Opening, baby. Good. Bite. Okay, you want some more? Okay.
You a little bit hungry there, buddy? Get your arms out.
Okay, hold on.
Is that good?
Pretty good though, huh?
Yeah.
What she's eating and enjoying it. This is thanks to Mommy Lisa for making you this puree. Sweet potato. Your first. Okay.
Quit talking and put
Vegetable.
food in my mouth. Is that good, buddy? Is that good?
I think his stomach's gonna be orange.